So, hi friends! Today I will do my room tour. And wait, this is the door, of course, and then upon entering, you can see the closet over there, and the what you call that one, safety box, and then the sink. And then this is the shower, of course, the CR, bathroom, shower over there. And what else? So this is the bed. It's the bed, and then just simple. The couch, mirror, and then I want to show you guys the view. So before I will show you the view, I will tell you where this hotel is. We're here in Hyatt Regency here in Lahaina, Maui. So this is our view, friends. You can see the ocean over there because we're staying here at the ocean front room. And then you can chill here, see the sunrise, or watch the sunrise or watch the sunset. So that's it. So that's it for today, friends. It's just a like simple room that you can like relax and like to like rest. And well, I'm so happy, like this is our second to the last day, and sadly we will leave tomorrow. And of course vacation is over and back to reality. So this is it. That's my like quick room tour for you, friends. So if you like enjoy watching my video, please don't forget to hit the notification bell and hit the thumbs up over there in the under of my or comment below, please. Or please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Inday Pubri here, and see you in my next travel vlog. Bye!